Planning your email content ensures that you're sending timely, targeted content which provides value for both your customers and your business.
I'm Darlene, this is London, and we're going to offer some ways to implement email content planning.
First, think about your email content plan in broad terms. How will you use email marketing to support your business, and how customers interact with your business?
To start, determine how the email content will support your business goals, like generating revenue or preventing churn. Then document when and how you'll use the email content to support seasonal events or business cycles over the course of a year.
Now, consider the customer's journey as it relates to your business. You'll need to identify email content that supports things like onboarding a new customer or keeping an existing customer engaged.
With a high-level email content plan, you can create an email marketing calendar that supports your business and plug in those necessary emails that support your customer's journey.
It's important to develop a brief content plan for each email. An easy way to do this is asking yourself 5 simple questions. Let's set up an email content plan for a new subscriber.
First, what's your goal for the email? I'd say it's to make them feel welcome and maybe share a little bit more about your brand and what they can expect. Even better, get more specific. How about getting them to visit your site?
Next, what email and template will you use? In our case, a welcome email, right?
Now, who's the target audience for this email? In this example, the audience is pretty broad. It's someone new to your email list. However, for stuff like re-engagement or a nurturing email to an existing customer, you'll want to apply some segmentation.
Segmentation is when you divide a broad customer audience into subgroups based off of characteristics. For example, the target audience for a re-engagement email could be segmented as existing customers who previously have purchased from you but haven't opened an email in 6 months.
Okay, back to our email content plan. The next question is, what's the trigger for this email? This is the action they took that prompted it. So in this case, they subscribed to our list.
And lastly, what is your call to action, or CTA? Now, this is totally business specific and up to you. For example, if you're a retailer and offering a coupon, your call to action would be shop now. Or if you're a non-for-profit, it simply could be visit our site.
Using these questions helps keep your email content targeted and provides value to you and your subscribers. That's a little bit about email content planning at a business level and for individual emails. I'm Darlene, and that's London. We'll see you later.